Alright, g'day guys, how you going? It's Mark Brady here. First up, on behalf of my partner Paul, I'd like to say a massive thank you for stopping by today. We really appreciate you being here. Hopefully you're really pumped to see what we've got going on here with our brand new product, Profit Rain. So let's just dive straight in, okay? So Profit Rain is a brand new case study and method that showcases a new affiliate marketing technique that we've been using for the last 12 months, and we've perfected it. And I'll be honest with you, this is delivering results out of this world that are stuff like we've never seen before. It basically utilizes a new tech, okay? I guarantee that you've never seen anything like this before, but it's very simple to use as well, okay? So the income you see above and below, guys, this is literally delivering this type of money for us each and every day on autopilot, okay, with just 15 minutes. Now, Paul and myself obviously like to deliver you fast methods because, look, we both have families. We run a 7-figure company. We understand the time constraints that come with having a family and a business, and most of you still have a job on the side as well, okay? So it's very important that this takes a short amount of time, and 15 minutes per day is all this is going to take, guys, in maintenance to keep this system flowing hundreds of dollars in affiliate income per day for you, okay? So, yeah, very simple. Now, this isn't a case study format that is basically from a standing start. Obviously, we're successful marketers, okay? We have big assets, lists, skills, etc. And that's not really fair to say, well, here's a method we used our buyers list. It doesn't make sense for you as a customer, okay? So this is from a standing start. So basically what that means is literally anybody can come in and follow Paul's 4 or 5 videos, bang, 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 do this, do that, okay? And get the exact same results that you see on this page that we are getting, okay? So hopefully that gets you a little bit excited. We can't wait for you to see what's inside because, look, I'm very pumped about it. It's been delivering us great results. So, look, Paul and myself always carry a no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you get inside and for whatever reason you don't like the content, you don't like the method, it doesn't work for you, whatever it is, just send our support desk an email and we'll give you 100% no questions asked refund, okay? If you're not happy, we simply do not want your money. So, look, if you're a person that has been that frustrated about this business and needs to see some results, if you're someone that's seen some success and want to add a few more $100 per day to your income, you know, whoever you are, if you want a solid system that's going to produce you hundreds per day, just 15 minutes work, then this is for you. We'd absolutely love to have you on the inside. So massive thanks for watching. Hope to see you inside.